Hi, I'm Cheryl Walser, and today I want to show you kind of a neat object lesson that I saw one time when I needed it, and it really impacted my life and helped me manage my life a whole lot better. So, as a mom with a kid with autism, you feel like, at least for me, I felt like I had very little time, and that I spent a lot of time doing a lot of extra things that moms with normal kids wouldn't have to do, and that I was always stressed out, and that my mind never got a break and my body never got a break. So anyway, I just want to talk to you about how to manage your time when you feel like there isn't enough to get anything done. So in this lesson that I saw a little while ago, a few years ago, this jar represents your time and energy to be able to get the things done that you need to get done in the day. And this right here is kind of a tray of stuff that we need to get into that jar. So I've got this bag of rice, and then I've got these marbles and these little Easter eggs, and then I've got this glass of water. And it all has to fit into this glass jar. So the Easter eggs represent the things that are precious, the things that are going to matter in the long run. That, like for me, it would be like being close to God. It would be taking care, not really taking care of my family, but seeing that their emotional needs were met, really making sure that I had time for them, and that they remembered having a good, happy life, and that we had fun together, and that they were special. These are the things that are needful, the things that you have to get done in order to survive. So like washing the laundry, doing dishes, just attending IEP meetings, all of those things, just taking care of a lot of the needs of your family. And then these are the things that are good, the other things that you have interest in doing, other things that are good to be done. And then this water represents everything else that you might ever feel like wanting to do or needing to do. This just represents, anything else. So anyways, in the lesson, they had people come up and try and put all of these objects in the jar, and nobody could get it all done. But the teacher, the girl who was giving the lesson, showed us how to put it in. So the way that she did it was she took all of these precious things, all of the things that are going to matter the very most in the long run. She dropped all of those into the jar. And then next, she took all of these things that are needful, all of the things that are essential for survival, and she put those into the jar. And then next, she took all of the things, all of the other extra things that are good, other interests, helping other people outside of your family, things like that. Anything else that is just a really good thing that you would want to do. Just going to shimmy all this rice down in between all of these other things. Okay, and then these are all of the other good things that you could possibly want to do. And there's even room for a little bit more water in there than what I had. But anyway, I hope this has made sense to you, that doing these important things first, all of the things that are really going to matter in the long run, making sure that your family is loved and happy, and that you spend time with your spirituality, like reading the most spiritual book you can think of, or really getting in touch with your inner self, or whatever it is, whatever that looks like to you. That's very important. So I read my scriptures, and I journal, and I'll do those things very first, and I'll pray with my family. And when I'm doing all of those things, I get the things done that I need to do, and the things that are precious, the things that are needful, and then all of the other things that I have interest in, which is a lot of stuff. And I have all of that extra stuff going on, or at least I did with with my son who had autism and is nearly completely symptom free. So anyway, I hope this gives you some hope and lets you know that that it's possible for you to be able to manage your life if you put things in the right order and make sure that you put just make sure you put the important things first. When you do these things, when you're being spiritual and doing the things that matter, you'll have help. You'll have help to get everything else done that you need to, and it'll just work out for you. So anyway, I hope this has helped, and let me know what happens for you. Let me know what your time looks like after you've made sure that you put things in the right order.